Hi everyone, it's Oremo Laboratory. Today we're gonna see an amazing product, Sports Bracelet Tempo OFB10. Your Tempo comes in this nice compact box. So you simply just remove the cover and we can see what's inside. Your Tempo on top, and then there's a user guide which tells you how to use it, and the charger you can use to charge your Tempo. You can use your phone charger or power bank to connect it to charge it. The very important is to line up the charger and Tempo correctly. There are 3 raised metal pieces inside. Then you line up this with Tempo and click it in. Make sure you are charging after you plug in. You should see a battery light come on. Tempo has a large OLED screen that is very crisp, clear, vivid. It's not a touch screen, which I actually prefer. There's a button hidden in the screen. I like physical button, and then you tap on the screen to cycle through your data. Before we start to use it, let's install app first. It is quite simple to do that. Just search Drawware in App Store or Google Play if you use Android mobile. Make sure your Bluetooth is on. The first time you open Drawware, you need to bind bracelet with app. It will scan a few seconds, then click to bind. Now fill in your basic information, such as gender, age, height, and so on. Set your health goal. Then click to check daily, week, month data. Now we can start to use this amazing sport bracelet. But one more thing, please keep Drawware always running in background, or it will disconnect it with Tempo.